Hi everyone, and welcome to the Shape Your Future Healthy Kitchen, sponsored by TSET. I am here today with Chef Val from OUTU School of Community Medicine, and Julie is joining us from TSET. Thank you for always being here, and we always have a good time.
That's right.
I mean, come on. So I always let Chef Val just take the lead, so what are we making today?
We're making some lemony cauliflower soup. So really easy. We're chopping up some onion and garlic, sauteing it in some oil, olive oil or canola oil, and then kind of to look back into January when we did our Back to Basics series.
Yes.
We did a lot of roasting, and so, oops, lost one.
That's all right.
So this is roasted cauliflower, so tossed in a little bit of olive oil, salt and pepper.
Okay.
375, 400 in the oven, something like that, where it starts getting some caramelization on it and gets nice and soft. And then it just goes into this pan. It's going to get stock put on it and a lot of lemon zest, a little salt and pepper.
Okay.
Really very, very basic soup, and then it's going to get pureed in a few minutes.
Another like a one pot wonder.
That's
right.
right.
Yes.
One pot.
Because you can do it all in one pot, and I love the fact that you're using the roasting technique because we can always go back to basics, and with Back to Basics, we are learning healthier choices, which is what TSET's all about, correct?
That's right. That's right. Our goal is to help Oklahomans live longer, healthier lives, and one of the ways that we do that is through Shape Your Future. So our partnership here is to really get the resources out, let people know these are easy things that you can do, make it accessible. And of course, you can find those resources at shapeyourfutureok.com.
Pull that up and they'll get all the information they need. And again, it's very similar things you're doing in everyday life. You're just making those little changes that'll make the big differences in your life.
Absolutely. And the lemon zest always makes a difference without
yes.
adding calories.
It adds a ton of flavor, which
Yes.
we're finding out, we're smelling all of those good things. So you're at, everything is in the pot, and then we go from where? Like how long, or?
So this is going to be brought up to a simmer. It's going to be boiling rapidly or bubbling rapidly.
Okay.
And then we're going to let that cook for 20 minutes or so until that cauliflower really just starts falling apart.
Okay.
And then you can use either an immersion blender or just a regular stand blender and get that soup nice and creamy. It can still have some chunks in it. If you don't have a high-powered blender, it might be a little chunky, but guess what? It's still really
Right.
delicious.
Still good soup.
Yep, still good soup.
And you're gonna get this.
Yes.
Is the final product once you have pureed it, and it looks amazing. And once again, we get to taste. I always feel kind of bad, sorry, that you don't ever get to taste
Well,
your
I
own
tasted
food.
it earlier.
Oh,
So I will hand you a spoon.
thank you.
We will get to taste it.
And the other thing that you could do is you could add
very
a
good,
can of
very
like
good.
white beans to this.
Oh, true.
Yeah, you could stretch it a little bit and it just gives it some more protein and fiber. So
Just
has
gives
a
you a
nice-
little more of a fulfilling.
Yeah, smoky lemony flavor. Very
Yep.
good.
It's very good. Thank you, as always, for having amazing recipes. If you guys want to learn more about this recipe or any of the other recipes or tips, go ahead and head to our website, kjrh.com.